Hi everybody, Roy here. I want to show you something very exciting. Well, everything is very exciting actually. This is a garden I installed probably, I think 10 or 12 years ago. I'm not quite sure. And a friend of mine, Michael's been caring for it now for the last 6 years with first his family was out here, and then recently he's got a new team out here, two new teams actually. So I'm out here now again, just enhancing. I'm putting in some more rivers within plants that have seeded in, like the penstemon Husker's Red is seeded in beautifully. And I'm just going to weave plants in between it. You see the Husker's Red over there, the penstemon? It really seeded in a nice river going all the way through there. So what I'll be doing is enhancing that next week. This week I'm bringing just groups of plants, Nepeta Prelude Purple. We're putting in groups of maybe 15 small blocks within the matrix, the mixed matrix. So we'll add some blocks to that to define the matrix actually better, because if things get too mixed, it gets confusing. So what we want to do is keep the mixed matrix with the bulbs. You can see we're cutting the daffodils back. They'll be doing that today. So let's, I'll give you a look at the garden. It's really filled in well. It's very thick. Epimedium look beautiful. So we're over here now putting a slight river of bumbleberry salvias with Salvia snowhill. And that's going to drift through here. And it has some allium summer beauty, as you can see. So we'll have a river of that going through. And really, if there's a way to define this, it's called gardening. And everything you plant, you can define it any way you want, but everything you plant is a garden. And it's always going to need your love and care. You can't walk, just like you can't walk away from your children. Even if you're 98 years old, your children will always be your children, and you'll always love them. So let's talk to Pedro's here. He's actually doing some weeding. Hello, Pedro.
Hey, Roy, how you
doing? And
there's
Daniel right over here.
How are you?
So why don't you guys introduce yourself?
Hello, everyone. My name is Pedro, owner of Veteran Landscapes. Doing some stewardship here on the Northcroft Estate with my business partner, Daniel.
Hello, Daniel.
How are you? Yeah, we're here enhancing the garden a bit, doing some de-weeding, prepping the area for the enhancements and some annuals that we're going to be doing here. Like Roy said, we have some salvia going here behind him. And
this is your first year here?
Yeah, it's our first
You're
year
working
here.
with Michael, who's been taking care of it for
Yes.
6 years now, I think.
Yeah, we're working alongside, or we're working for Michael and also the property owners, and alongside Nurtured Roots, who couldn't make it out here today. But definitely trying to keep on top of invasive weeds, weeding, and making room for all these beautiful drifts that you're bringing in, and just learning from you and the other experts in the industry is amazing.
Well, and I have to say, it was fun. You were both in my class.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, that was fun. I have a perennial plant communities class at College of DuPage. It was exciting to see that something leaves the classroom.
Yeah.
Here you are, and actually see that gardening is a future.
Yes.
So I think landscaping has a past, a present, and a modest future because it's more neat and tidy.
Absolutely.
But both of you are really looking at plant awareness, the knowledge of plants and what you can do with that. It's very exciting. So how do you feel about this project?
It's amazing. I mean, to come here and learn that this used to be essentially like every other garden, where it was vast swaths of mulch and traditional cultivars, and versus to come in to see all these natives and get the opportunity to come in a season and actually see everything growing from its very from when it crowns out of the ground, from its inception all the way up to its still premature stage. And also learning how to identify things, learning how different plant communities work with one another, seeing their relationship. And even when you get out here, Roy, and you're able to tell us, you know, how plants can work better together, where to move them, and then also figure out through your coaching how to eventually take over and be able to do things on our own when you're not available to always be on site.
It won't take long. You're going to be making your own decision because you'll just know.
Yeah.
Because if you're here weekly, you're growing up with the plants. These are going to be your children. You'll see how they mature. You'll see what overlaps on one. What do you have to thin? What do you have to change? So it's going to be exciting. Then I'll be coming out learning from you guys. It's going to be too good. So what you move and what you plant. So today, I think it's just we're enhancing.
Yes.
And then you'll get back to thinning, getting rid of the weed competition.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's patchy because there's so much density with the perennials. It's a patchy area that's open more for The annuals too are coming. There's a lot of annuals too, I think.
And bulbs also. So once those die, you see more patches here and there as the bulbs die down, and
Right,
you see
right.
where you have to enhance. And
Yeah, the
add
bulbs
things.
are nice and green now, and they'll be nice and brown later.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's where you'll thin some of them, move some of them.
Mm-hmm.
That's very, very exciting. So, all right, everybody, we'll keep up with this. We'll come back next week and take a look at what's happening and what we're adding and discuss how we're going to care for it too. Thanks, guys.
Absolutely. Until then, take care, everyone.